Hello guys, welcome back or welcome to my channel. It's still your baby girl Gloria. Today I think we should be on a lighter note. We are always too serious, official, nothing. Today I'm going to be sharing my experience about how I almost or how we almost died not too long ago. It's an experience whenever I remember, although it's maybe scary, but I don't know how I was so calm throughout this whole experience. So sit down, take your popcorn, relax, and let's chill. Let's leave all those official things. I think I look fat in this gown. Before you tell me I'm fat, let me tell myself. But I think it's just I'm not that fat though, it's just the gown. It's a gown, African attire. When we don't have where to wear it, we have to just help ourselves and encourage our life in this country. Okay, yes, so now there was this day in Dubai, 2018 December. In 2018 December, the church my husband was attending in Dubai is called One Dubai, and I attend Redeem, different church. Long story short, that's a different story for another day. And their church invited my husband for this get-together end of the year party where they all go, they enjoy, they eat, they have fun by the seaside. Sounds really beautiful, sounds really nice. By then, I was heavily pregnant, about 6 months, heading, I think, almost 7 months pregnant. So I had my baby in March. By then, it was December. So it was just 3 months to me having my baby. That was about 7 months. And of course, my husband invited me and I went. I was looking like a stranger. I've been to that church a few times, but it's still not the same like when it is really the church you go every day. Because of the distance, I usually don't go with my husband. It's so far. I just like my church very close. So I usually don't follow him to that church. It's a very beautiful church and they invited him and I felt, why not? If not, let me go and catch fun. So we gathered our things, we arranged our bag, we went. Although I was very tired, but then I still went. I'm like, I would just sit around and then just enjoy everything they're doing and just be part. Your girl should just feel as if me too, I'm in town. So I wore my trouser now, wore my shirt with my big stomach, and off we went. We headed to this place. It's like a beach. It's a beach house and there's a sea. It's very beautiful where you can just enjoy. We had loads of game. I ate I ate as much as I could and we were catching fun. Then people started going to the sea to go and use the jet ski. I don't know what they call it. It's this bike you ride on the sea and it's very fast. If you're good, you can ride. It can be very, very fast and it looks really comfortable. Everybody were going, they were riding and they were coming back. And the thing is, my husband was almost in charge of the riding. He's the one who will come and call the next person from the swimming pool or from wherever we are sitting to come to the sea to come and ride. And you have to even pay for it. Imagine, I paid for my own debt. So it was our turn. My husband came and said he has paid for us to go. I'm like, I don't like sea. Anything that has to do with water. I don't even know how to swim. I don't even know how to swim. I'm so scared of water that I don't even know how to swim. Talk less of a whole sea. My mother should not even hear this. But of course now, me too, I need to show that me too I'm there. Me too, I'm a big guest. Big guest. I want to just show that me too, I cannot come and fall your hand now. So I took myself and that same jet ski, that particular one, I will call it sea bike for better understanding. That particular one is the same one they've been using over and over. Everybody that has been going is like more than 20 people have used that particular one. Common sense should tell me that the engine is no longer functioning well. I decided to follow my husband. I don't want to annoy him. And I packed myself heavily pregnant. Even when they were trying to wear me the life jacket, I was even trying to say my stomach is too big. I didn't want it on, that I don't need it after all. But if your village people are following you, you will see the normal road, you will still follow another road. But then God just helped me that my village people did not have good connection at that moment. I wore the life jacket. It was this high over my pregnant stomach, and I put the life jacket belt on. And I climbed my husband's back. He was one who rode the Skyjet thing. And I was at his back. I heard him and off we went. They were all hailing him. Hey, you're so good. Blah, blah, blah. Because he has been the one even leading other people. And it was my turn and I was feeling good. I climbed. Common sense not tell me that I'm pregnant. What if anything happened? But the way to start going, maybe it was the anxiety in me, or it was just, I don't know what was ministering to me, that what if we fall? What if we fall in this sea? Me that I don't know how to swim. We were going, and he increased his speed. We went, nobody could see us again. We went maybe beyond normal, because that sea is so big. If you know Dubai, you know there are loads of sea, very large sea that you can't even see the end. And we went, boom. My mind was telling me, what if we fall? I wanted to be like, oh, I would have loved to even take pictures or video on this sea. But my mind said, what if my phone fall into the sea? So I wouldn't go with my phone. I left my phone behind, but I was on the bike and we were going, and he was increasing the speed. And that speed just kept ministering to me that what if we fall? What if we fall? What if we fall? The next thing I would see, he was trying to turn back on the sea. He was going and the next thing with the speed, he was just trying to turn. And the next thing I saw, the jet bike dived, tumbled, and I found myself into the sea, and I was going down. I drank salty water. I think because of the life jacket, I bounced back up. And the jet sky thing, the bike had tumbled and was facing down. I'm like, what? So the moment I saw myself back up, I quickly grabbed on the side of the bike, because there are side where you can hold. So I head on the back. He also was there, and he was shouting, "Are you okay? Are you okay? Are you okay? Are you okay?" I was so calm. I was so calm. I don't know how I was so calm. I told him, I said, stop that. Stop asking if I'm okay, because you're going to make me panic. Just keep quiet, and please, just stop. Just stop. Wait. What are we going to do? We just have to wait for them to notice that we are not back. And if God save us, a rescue boat will pass, or will see us, or notice that we have not come back for too long and come and rescue us. There's a whistle on the bike thing, but the whistle cannot go that far because we had gone too far into the sea. We were dangling on top of the sea. He was holding the boat, the sky jet thing. I was also holding the side. We were just looking and praying to God with my big stomach. All of a sudden, some type of spirit started ministering to me that what if shark catch your leg, or crocodile? What if crocodile just eat your leg inside the sea? This sea where containers pass, that is the sea. I'm like, so dirty, you can't even see the ground. I'm like, what if, and these are the type of water that crocodile used to live. What if even hippopotamus just come and chop your leg? But I was still keeping calm and waiting on my next destiny. Maybe this is where my life and my pregnancy, my baby, unborn baby's life was going to end. And my husband, I was thinking of my other two children. What will I tell my mom, my sisters? But all this while, I was still keeping calm. The psychology part of your life will just start to play. And I was telling myself, there's no need to panic. Just stay on. Just stay and pray. Ask for forgiveness of sin in case you want to go to fire. So every sin I had committed, at that point, I was just praying, God, please forgive me. I'm sorry. And I was already beginning to make my last prayer, to make my last wish. And all of a sudden, we saw a boat coming. And that was it. They came close to us. They said they wanted to drag me up. They said I should hold the side of the boat and they would drag me. I'm like, no, I'm pregnant. They're like, you're pregnant? What are you doing in the sea? I don't know. I'm just stupid, maybe. What are you doing in the sea? I'm just like, I don't know. I'm sorry, but I'm pregnant. Is that what you want to ask me now, or you want to take me out of this sea now? So they managed to take me out. Two men pulled me, and I used my leg. I climbed their own boat. It was mainly my husband and the jet kite until they helped him to turn the bike back, and he was telling me to come and climb again. When they are not doing me, when they are not following me, I'm like, that is the end of anything that has to do with water in my life. So he climbed again on that jet thing and rode it back. When I got there, the people who went with together were like, they already knew something was wrong because they didn't see us. They didn't see us for too long, and they're like, what is wrong with this? Why are they not back? That's why they told the rescue boats to go and look for us. And thank God, we were still alive. If that's how your baby girl will have been eaten by shark, by hippopotamus, or something, will have just removed my leg from my body. And that is the last time I ever or we ever go to the sea to do anything for fun or for. I just look at the sea from far. I'm like, hello, are you okay? We are not in good relationship at this moment. So that is just my little story. I don't know what the story has taught us, but I just think I should share my experience. If you're pregnant, be careful. If you don't know how to swim, be careful. Because there's always a lesson in everything. And I couldn't tell my family, especially my mom, because my mom, you know, this type of African mother, the way they so exaggerate. I first told my sister was shouting. That's after I even had my baby. Like 4 months later, I told my mom, I'm like, do you know what happened? So and so, I almost died. I was drowned in the sea. I was like, what? She was so scared. She was so scared. She said, I'm like, that's why I didn't even tell you when it happened at first, because then I was pregnant and I was really worried. So I drank a lot of water, because I drank some of the salty water. I drank a lot of water, and I was just praying that my baby will be fine, because, you know, I don't know what was in the water, but we were fine. We were fine. And yeah, your baby girl is fine. So that is the end of my story. I just thought we should do a small story section and just stop being too serious and stop being too professional. If you like this type of section or this type of episode, let me know. Request your video down below. Subscribe to this channel. Let me know what you want. And I want this channel to just be a place where you get as much information and as much fun, as much reality as you want. Thank you also for watching. Remember, I love you. Stay safe. Please stay safe. I will see you again in another video. Until then, be careful. Bye.